What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm in my kitchen. I just got back from the gym and I am starving, so I thought I'd whip up one of these Hellofresh meals that I got in the mail yesterday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know I got this shipment in yesterday, so I wanted to cook one of these meals as soon as possible and get it filmed for you guys. I've always wanted to try Hellofresh, but I never have, so I'm super excited that I got this opportunity to try some of the meals out and let you guys know what I think. If you don't know what Hellofresh is, it is a meal subscription service where you get all of the ingredients needed to create a complete meal sent to your door. So there's no grocery store involved. All you do is take the ingredients out of the bag and start cooking. For me, it's not even that I don't have time to go to the grocery store. It's that I go to the grocery store and buy a little bit of everything. Food ends up getting wasted and I never really create like a complete meal. HelloFresh was kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys so you can get 6 free meals if you use the code NicoleAmber60. You get to decide whether you want vegetarian meals or meals with meat. You can pick the size of your family. I was going to at first do a 2-person meal kit because I have 2 people in my household, but I thought better of it and I decided to go with the 4-person meal kit because I'm going to spend all that time cooking. I may as well have my lunch prepped for the next day. So my boyfriend and I will both not only have dinner tonight, but lunch for tomorrow. Smart, I know. Okay, so let's get started with this video. So all of the food came in this huge box. It is an insulated box. I was worried, like, how are these ingredients going to stay cool? It comes in an insulated box with 2 giant ice packs. So everything was like freezing cold. There was no issue with that. When I opened the box, I noticed there was some paperwork. First of all, there were some candies, which are super cool, and these candies are the best things in the entire world. They're the Lindor chocolates. Oh my God, they are so good. Then it comes with recipe cards for each meal kit that you picked. The 3 that I chose were the honey glazed pork tenderloin with roasted sweet potatoes and green beans. The second one is hot honey chicken with barbecue roasted potatoes and buttery broccoli, which looks so good. And then the one that looks the best is the melty Monterey Jack burger with red onion jam, garlic mayo, and crispy breaded zucchini. Are you kidding me right now? That sounds so good, like I can't even. On the back of the recipe card, it gives you step-by-step instructions along with a picture so you can follow along. And then it'll tell you what you need as far as like cooking utensils. You'll need a large bowl, you'll need plastic wrap, you'll need a strainer. It pretty much tells you all of that. Okay, moving on to the meals. They obviously send you all of your meat. If you choose the regular meal plan, it does come with meat. So for mine, I got pork tenderloin, boneless, skinless chicken breast, and ground beef for the burgers. Once again, on all of this meat, it does have the calories, but it has the total calories for the whole meal on the recipe card, which is nice. Okay, so then these are your meals. They come individually wrapped in their own paper bag, which I think is awesome. There's no getting any ingredients mixed up. Tonight, I want to cook I think I want to do the honey glazed pork tenderloin. So I'll obviously need the bag that says honey glazed pork tenderloin, and then I will need the pork tenderloin. The rest of this stuff I'm gonna go put away and I'll be right back. Okay, for this recipe we will need a peeler, 2 baking sheets, a medium pan, paper towels, vegetable oil, and butter. So let's go ahead and open the bag and see what we have going on. Ooh. Okay, so we have a bag of green beans and it says they're already thoroughly washed, which is great. Saves me time. A second bag of green beans. We have peeled garlic, 2 cloves. We have 4 sweet potatoes. And then we have a bunch of packets. 4 of these orange ones that say chicken. We have 2 packets of honey and 1 pack of dried thyme. All right, step number 1 is roast sweet potatoes. Wash and dry all produce, adjust rack to middle position and preheat to 425. Peel and dice sweet potatoes into 1/2 inch cubes. Okay, so I just washed, peeled, and diced the sweet potatoes here. They look delicious. So the next step is to drizzle the oil, salt, and pepper and roast until lightly browned and tender. Sear pork and prep. Meanwhile, heat a drizzle of oil in a medium pan over medium heat. Pat pork dry. Okay, so let's get that going. Some salt and some pepper. I'm going to put this on the pan and salt and pepper the other side. So I'm now supposed to add the green beans on the other half of the baking sheet. So I want to be careful, but I'm also supposed to put a little drizzle of oil and then salt and pepper on it, just like I did for the sweet potatoes. Once the pork comes off of the pan and it has a nice sear to it, I'm going to transfer it to a small baking sheet and roast it in the oven until it's cooked all the way through. While the meat is finishing cooking in the oven, I'm going to make the glaze. And if any of you know me, I love sauce. All the sauce, give it all to me. To make this glaze, I'm going to use the leftover oil from the meat, and I'm going to add garlic and our thyme. Then I'm going to add our chicken concentrate, our honey, and 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna let that simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna stir that in. Add a little salt and pepper to taste, and then we're drizzling that all over our food. Cannot wait. I'm done. This is the completed meal. It has never looked better. I'm starving and I'm ready to dig in. So let's go ahead and give this a little taste test. We'll start with the sweet potato. It has a little bit of that glaze on it. Unreal. I feel like anything with that glaze on it would be good though. I love green beans. Yeah, I'm whipping this out. I did not cut anything raw with this. All right, taste testing the meat. I'm real scared because whenever I cook meat, it's always dry as a bone and it drives me crazy. So I'm praying that this is not super dry. Are you guys kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Dude, I'm gonna make that glaze and put it on everything. What? Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely gonna have lunch tomorrow, all prepped and ready to go now. If you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I will leave all of the details down below in the description box, as well as a discount code. Remember, if you use the discount code, you get 6 free meals. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do post like weight loss updates and just life updates in general. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.